Hello, and welcome to another Zerkaa Thursday. We're out here smashing it once again, and today is the first Zerkaa Thursday, which is a full 24-hour challenge, a full one-day challenge. Hopefully many more to come after this. Now on the Sidemen channel, we have our burning 10,000 calories in a day. We have our eating 10,000 calories in a day. What we're doing today is merging those two together. I can only eat calories that I have burned. So for every calorie that I burn, I can then eat 1 calorie. So it's currently 2:52 AM and I've burned 319 calories. So I could eat 319 calories. Obviously I'll use Fitbit to track the burning and I'll use my FitnessPal to track the eating. Essentially, I have to burn calories in order to eat. So I've got to work hard to eat hard. So the recommended daily calorie intake for a male is 2,500 calories in a day. So that's easy. So my aim is to try and burn as many calories in a day so I can eat as many calories in a day. I have a big old eating session, a big old working out session. But let's try and find a snack to eat now. Okay, so I've got 340 calories that I can eat. I mean, proper corn is good. It's light. 126 calories per serving. What this is, 90 grams. So a third of the pack is 30 grams, so it's about that one, 126 calories. We can do that. I can make a bowl of these, I can weigh that real quick. Okay, popcorn at the ready. I've logged it, so 129 calories will be consumed after eating this bowl. Nice little evening snack. Right, so it is now the next day, or later in the day. I've woken up, I've just chilled, and now I'm gonna go for a run to burn some calories. I've not had breakfast yet, but I'm on 1,399 calories, because obviously you burn calories all the time. Like when you're sleeping, you're still burning calories. I'm gonna go for a run now, burn more calories, and I can get a nice big meal in, because I've worked and I've afforded it. I've earned it. Okay, out on the run. Thought I'd come somewhere where I could get you a nice little view. So, Tate Modern. And all that lot. We keep moving. My heart rate is currently at 120, so should burn some calories so I get a nice meal. But I'll give you an update in a second. It's very, very hot today. I am now up to 1,676 calories burned. I'm like halfway through the run, if not more. Probably could do more, but I've got me up with Con soon. So I need to rush back and get showered and stuff. Also, ignore the hat. Just hiding. Look, hiding the awful hair as I've not showered yet. I'm a stink bell. Stink bell? I'm a stinker bell. What the hell is a stinker bell? Final checkpoint. For the tourists among you. No, if you're not from London, I'll give you all the sights. There you go. Views to the Mandem. So I had another activity to this day. Got a lime bike to go home, post to running. Okay, so I'm all showered and I've got in. And Freya just offered me Wagamama's. So I'm going to take her up an opportunity because I can. I have burned 2,265 calories so far today. I have only eaten a grand total of, where is it? 129 calories. So I get to treat myself now because I can now catch up. What can I get from Wagamama's? Obviously got to get a katsu curry. And I've not had Wagamama's since before lockdown, so I'm gassed. What can I get? Okay, so chicken katsu curry from Wagamama's is 1,149. So I'm gonna get that, and that'll put me up to 1,278 for the day. I'll get a drink as well, maybe like a can of Coke, and I've still got more time to eat, and I'll go and meet Con. We're going to explore, you know, for the first time in ages. Just go out and film and explore. Wagamama's! Woo! Okay, so we're back at the spot where the Sidemen. It's 1 meter soon. We can get like this close soon. Anyway, yeah, we're back at the spot where the Sidemen once argued over cheating in a Sidemen Sunday.
And you man want to buy water from Sainsbury's and drop
That's cute.
Are you joking?
Look, it's not my fault. Your brain ain't big enough, friend. So I thought, you know, just a little throwback for you guys. But yes. We've gone Tesco's and I've got 3 Krispy Kreme donuts of 200 calories each. But basically, Con, this challenge is too easy. I've messed up. I've made a challenge that's way too easy for myself. So I don't know, I need to test myself a little bit. I might try and eat a lot and then I might have a reason to do this then. But I mean, out and about, I guess that's the fun part, right? So I have burned 2,572 calories. Now, if I consume all of these 3 donuts, which are 200 calories each, I will have consumed 2,017. So I've still got 500 more calories to eat if I wanted to. Right, one down, kind of. One more. The problem here is we're walking. I'm burning more calories. I think going for a run at the start of the day was a bad idea because now my heart rate's as high all day. Burning more calories. I'm just chasing calories all day. messed up. I thought this would be hard. I found the easiest challenge I've done ever. I might as well done a challenge called I ate food for a day when this happened. What can I even do? It's a great little educational thing for everyone at home. So if you're at home and you're like, you know what, I want to lose weight. I've seen Ethan lose weight. I've seen Vic put on weight and lose weight. I've seen Josh lose weight. If you see anyone who's out there who's lost weight and you're like, how do they do that? Oh, it must be so hard, I can't bother to go exercise. All you got to do, very simple, as from this video, is burn more calories than you eat every day, and that is it. You're guaranteed lose weight. There's no science to it, that's simply it. Burn more than you eat. If you're eating too many calories, burn more, or just stop eating as much. Seems simple, right? That is literally it. That is all you need to know. There's no secret, there's no like, if you do 24 push-ups a day, you'll get muscle and you'll lose weight. No, you haven't got to run 10K, you just got to burn more. That's it. You can go for a walk, be active, get on your chair, get back up your chair, get on your chair, get back up your chair. Whatever you want to do. Have sex more. Oh. There's a lot of people around. I was getting too into it. If normally she's on top, you get on top for once, you know. Stop being lazy, con. Don't worry, Kirsty, I got you.
This final donut is going, and I need to eat more. Where can I eat more?
The challenge was I went for a run, and I've come and out of Wagamama's, and I've met you.
Is that it?
That's what I've done.
You recorded way more.
What do you mean?
This
what do you want to do?
Shambles. This is a shambles.
You're a shambles.
Right, we're going to get you fed up.
I'm fed up. Okay, quavers. 182 calories. 125 calories. Oh no, yes. Each 25-gram serving contains. Hula hoops. 250 calories in a big bag. Plus a lovely can, no, not a can, it's a bottle of Coke. And 210 calories in this. That's 460 calories off my current total. We scan them. Calories added. I've now, after eating and drinking this, be 2,477 calories, but I have burned 2,801. We're closing in, about 324 off. So, not bad. Although by the time I get to the next Sainsbury's, I'd walk more.
We need to wheel you around.
Yeah, can you like push me around or something?
Are you badding up the game?
Stormzy is. Right, so last week, I told you to get me past Morgs' mum. But guess what, Jill? You're a stinker. It took Well months. Did it in 1 week. 1 week, done, just gone. Ain't about no more. He said challenge someone new. So we've gone onto Social Blade and looked at who's in the UK and is near us. There's Joe Sugg, his vlog channel, not his real channel, his vlog channel, which is like level with me already, but he's losing subs. The next person we're going for is Kira Bridget, aka Morgs' ex. So basically just tackling the whole Morgs family. Is she part of the family? She's not. We'll allow her. Her name is Kira Bridget. We'll run her real name, not Morgs' ex. That's rude. So we're going to challenge Kira Bridget. She's on 3.6, I'm on 3.56. So it's 40K difference. So if you're not subscribed, click the subscribe button, you lazy little poo. Yeah, other than that, we're walking around aimlessly, trying to find somewhere to go, but there's nothing to do in London anymore. Nothing is open, still, of course. I mean, we go to a pub, maybe. Outdoor pubs are open. We could get a beer. That's calories, right? But other than that, I'm just going from Tesco to Tesco, just getting snacks. And that's not a good idea because I'm burning more calories still. I'm pulling away constantly. We move. Sneeze. Potatoes. Right, I'm good. I think. I'm good. KSI, aka or the G Double S, aka JJ, says he is 6 foot. So we can test this theory by bringing him here. 6'1". JJ, be here. So JJ, come here. Take a photo of you touching. No, but if you're here, you got long hair though, so you're cheating. If he's here, he's 6 foot. But he's 5'11", so he should be back here. Don't believe his lies. Don't believe them. If only. I just want some chicken nuggets, that's all I want. Especially today, it'd be great, wouldn't it? Calories and all sorts, you know? I could eat some McDonald's. But everything just closed. Okay, so Five Guys is actually open. I'm gonna try something here. I'm gonna try and catch up with my calories burned. So I'm gonna try and get a milkshake and take me to, like I'm level then. And then we can try and actually struggle and try and actually have a reason to move right now. So right now I have no reason to move. I'm thinking if I wear this, hay fever will be better.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah, because you've been sneezing non-stop.
I have just added a 950 calorie milkshake, which now puts me at 3,427 calories consumed for the day. But I've only burned 3,258. So I can't even finish this yet. I'm not allowed to finish it. I can only have like this much.
Do you know what that means?
But we got to walk.
You've got to do press-ups, you've got to do...
Well, press-ups ain't gonna get me nowhere, are they?
They will get your heart rate up.
No, you got to scare me.
You can get your heart rate up in other ways.
Have a wank?
Maybe when you're home, you can.
Yeah. Why do we always do calorie videos? Why do we always got to eat food?
Because the game, we have no time to go.
What? It's Tuesday. I can't anything. I filmed a Reddit video. I could have filmed finger in my arse for 24 hours. That's a long time actually, yeah. We've got loads of ideas we could have filmed. Bit the carry one again. Oh. Con, is that a 100-foot tree?
Oh, that is a 100-foot tree.
No, I think it's about 90 actually, isn't it?
I think it's almost
It could pass as 100. We came here because we know there's a pub here, but luckily for me it's closed because imagine a beer and a milkshake together. I don't want food poisoning again. I don't want to be spent a day on the toilet again.
Okay, so I am back from filming with Con. I have currently burned a grand total of 3,790 calories. Not too bad. Now I've eaten a grand total of 3,427 calories and I've not had dinner yet. So right now, as it stands, I can have like a 300 calorie dinner, about a 370 calorie dinner, which isn't much. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into streaming like I would every single night, twitch.tv/Zerkaa. I'll plug it and I'll plug it again. Twitch.tv/Zerkaa down below. I stream pretty much every single day. Also has different games. Sometimes you're chilling and chatting. Roll through, give me a follow, it's free. I'm trying to hit 500k on there. So please do help me. Also, I'm gonna go and do a quick little bit of Redditing. What I'm thinking is I have my Zerkaa Thursdays and I think I may do some bonus episodes every once in a while, some bonus videos throughout the week that aren't on a Thursday, which will be me going from my Reddit and like similar videos like that. Let's just go through what I've got in the past week. I've got 15,000 Zoomers right now, so let's try and get it to 20,000 or something, I don't know. Let's just get over there, sub to the Reddit, add some content, add some posts, help me out, you know? So anyway, let's go through this. Together we can stop this shit. As you can see, Morgs' mum, she got done. That sounds mad. She's gone. She doesn't matter to us anymore, for now anyway, until she makes a video again. But right now, I've overtaken her. So great success, team. Congrats. You made it at Millwall. Congrats. And you should see, look, this is a post from Millwall's official Twitter account. And I'm a crowdie. Just cheering. A photo taken in Portsmouth back in the day when we filmed the hide and seek there. Just cheering on the lads, you know? Cheering on the lads. I thought I'd buy one. Why not? It's good fun. Mill. Josh and Harry confirm 2020 Moo Off. Harry's got a Moo Off hoodie, or a Moo hoodie, a cow hoodie, and I've got what I thought would be a cow, but it's actually a snow leopard coat. Now this jacket was made with the intentions, just a joke for Moo Off, but is Moo Off happening? I don't know. Do you want it? Why do these memes make on every single Reddit? Look, posting on RKSI, no. Posting on Mini Minter, no. Posting on Zerkaa, yeah, because it's easier to get upvotes, right? I swear, next person as a Reddit video is going to have this meme and I'll be higher up. Or we got to aim to try and make it so we are above like Ethan or Simon. That could be a dub. Me waiting for my girlfriend to do the walking in on your boyfriend naked challenge any second now. Freya, please. Imagine. Underrated nutmeg.
Yes. Easy for you.
Yes now, okay. Okay.
That could be it.
Oh! Oi, the seeds! JJ's got done from long range. From out of nowhere, look at that. You know what, that is a trick shot. Look, I'm back to my trick shotting roots. Hitting it from the corner flag, bouncing it off of the post through his legs. Meant that, clearly, meant that, always. He beastin'. Josh carrying the Simon videos like, what, these are the holidays and road trips. I want to do some more. There's some good ones planned, guys. There were some good ones planned. They would have been shot by now. They would have been out by now. But we move, right? We work on it. They'll be out again in the future. Once everything goes back to like somewhat normality, then maybe you'll see it, but I don't know. It may take a while, guys. It may take a while just purely because of the outside surroundings. We can try and like rehash it maybe and do it in a different way. Got some other ideas that are similar as well we could work on, but trust me, we got stuff planned. We're just waiting right now, we're just waiting. Oh my God. 2 fingers. 3 fingers. Getting fisted! Oh, he loves it. He loves it. Why did I do that pose? Why did I do that pose? My God. Well. Welcome to Reddit, Josh. Please remind Josh of this picture. Me and your boy Nicola Milana and Winnie Winter in the background as well. You can see right there. Look, he's in there somewhere. But the boy, look. That's how long I have known him for. That's how long. That is like, what is that? You know what? I am at university during this time. That's how long ago this is. Shout out Nicola Milana. What an absolute living legend. Oh, hey, look, I made it onto a bloody magazine. Look at me going in my lilac outfit. It's like a Vogue cover. I'm gonna leave it there because otherwise I could sit on this Reddit way too long. But like I said, my plan, what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do some bonus videos on the Reddit. So if you wanna help me get that content, please go sub to the Reddit, upvote stuff you think is cool. If you think of anything funny, then of course, post it on here. I'll see you with another Reddit video very soon, hopefully. So yeah, I guess we'll see how many calories I burn whilst I live stream, and then that will dictate what kind of dinner I can eat realistically to end the day with. This challenge, like I said, was a bit too easy looking back on it. So that is my bad, I do apologise. I thought it'd be harder and it's actually been the most easiest thing ever. So that is my fault. Okay, so I finished my stream and I've now finished today and I ended on 3,949 calories burnt. But I've only currently eaten 3,427 calories. So I got myself a nice little 500 calorie deficit of food. So I can eat 500 calories basically. So I've got to try and find a dinner that is about 500 calories and then we are done for the day. Like I said, this challenge, on reflection, it was a good idea, but it's just too easy. Like, I'm not even hungry. And I have to force myself to eat just to even get close. But I mean, that's not even the challenge anyway. It doesn't really matter, does it? Like, the challenge wasn't to get them equal. The challenge was just I couldn't eat unless I burnt the calories. Maybe I was just better off just eating a lot of calories. I don't know. But yeah, I guess I'll go and find something to eat. Well, as I said, I'm not that hungry, so I might just eat a bowl of crisps, I'm not gonna lie. Because look, basically, this pack contains 5 servings, 150 grams, and 1 serving is 150 calories. So if I have about 95 grams, that's about 500 calories. And that would be me equaled out. So, dub. Okay, so, you remind of my crisps I got left. 100 grams of those crisps. This is satisfying. The final results for today. Burned 3,949 calories, dub, and consumed 3,944. And one of the most unhealthy days I've seen ever. Like, there's only one real meal in there, which is katsu curry. The rest is just crap all day. But yeah, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, leave a like on it as per usual. Obviously, like I said before, make sure you are subscribed to help me catch up with Kira Bridget. Which is only 40k subscribers away from me, so it's doable, and then we chase after Ethan after that. Like I said earlier, you can help me out with subreddit stuff, reddit.com/r/Zerkaa. If you want to follow me on Twitch, twitch.tv/Zerkaa as well. And that's about it for the plugin. If you want to add a video idea to my video idea list, you can link one down below in the description. There is a form, fill it out, or tweet me an idea. But like I said, I've got tons of ideas, but you can help me add to that collection. Now I'm gonna finish off these crisps, and I'm gonna go to bed. So I'll see you next Thursday. Goodbye.
I'm a Mercus, bare excitement, like it's a circus. Wanna see more exciting things? Check my YouTube channel or Zerkaa. If you hear something in my bar you think I didn't even know that I said, boy, better know when I'm on the mic and I speak, better know that I said it on purpose. That's right, I'm a Mercus, saying it again. Pass me a pen. Black tunes gonna make tunes right past them. My moustache turns grey like Ken. Yeah, haters gonna hate, you can't stop them, fam.